All right, quick video for the conclusion paragraph. I'm going to jump right in. So like always, you start with your reworded thesis statement. So follow, again, like every paragraph, follow the instructions on your essay organizer. It says look at your thesis statement from your intro paragraph and reword it. So go back up here to the top, take a look at this thesis statement here, and then just say it in a slightly different way. Maybe invert the order. You can eliminate maybe the name of the story and the author. We don't need that, but just kind of review the topics that you've covered. Then you will go back to body paragraph 1. That was your character's view of himself. And in one sentence, summarize some of the data from your first body paragraph. So what were the 3 moments that you talked about? If you are able to summarize all 3 of those moments into one sentence, awesome. Maybe just do 2 moments, but just summarize some of the data. Just tell me what happened in the story. What did you talk about in body paragraph 1? Again, your conclusion paragraph is when you review everything you just covered. Then, in one sentence, summarize how your character views himself. So say something here like, overall, based on these moments, Zaroff views himself very highly, right? You're just summarizing overall how your character views himself. Then you have an internal link where you are moving from body paragraph 1 to body paragraph 2. So I have a fill in the blank sentence here. So we'll say something like, in addition to Rainsford's view of himself, he also has a perspective on topic of body paragraph 2, the setting or the island. Then, same exact thing, one sentence, summarize your data, and then overall, how does your character view the island or the setting? And another internal link here, maybe something along the lines of, along with Rainsford's view of the setting, he also has a point of view on topic of body paragraph 3, Zaroff, or the other character. Same exact thing for body paragraph 3, and then your finishing line. Finishing line should be maybe 2 sentences, maybe 3. Shoot for 2 though. You have 2 questions here to answer. And that is your very brief conclusion paragraph video.